Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another short and useful tutorial video. In this video I am going to show you how you can have emojis from your window without copying or downloading from internet. You can just have from your inside Windows, because there is a hidden feature inside video that give you free emojis and free GIF clips. So to open this feature, just press Windows plus dot key from your keyboard, and this feature will open inside your Windows without going to internet. Suppose if you open our Word and we want to type in something, just copy here this emoji, smile. You can search your favorite emoji, angry, paste. You can have GIF clip, because we are not connected into internet, so it cannot work the GIF clip, but the other features is working perfectly. You can have these kinds of text, different kinds of symbols, currency symbols, pronunciation. See, there is any kind of emojis that you can use it freely inside your text, like this. So this is all from this video. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment section. You can share your views and experience with me. Just type in the comment section. If you have any question, just ask me. So till next video, have a good time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.